Welcome to DC Plastic Surgery Boutique. I'm glad you're here. Before I show you around, I want to talk to you about how we got where we are. I'm Anita Kulkarni. I'm a board certified plastic surgeon, owner of this space, DC Plastic Surgery Boutique, which, as you know, is for women by women. Now, what do we mean by that? When we say for women by women, we mean that our entire space, every inch of this space, was designed with a female patient population in mind. It means that our entire staff is women and all of our patients are women. So everything that we do comes from that philosophy. I'm going to show you around. I know that the idea of plastic surgery can feel intimidating, so I designed this space to feel like a living room instead of a doctor's office. It's not easy to come in here and talk about the parts of you that make you feel vulnerable. I want you to feel comfortable with our staff. I want you to feel welcome here and at home in our space. I want you to know that when we say for women by women, we mean that we see you, we get you, and we're here for you.